Yo, dude. Yeah. So you got that drum fill, um, you know, with the beat and everything. That's cool. The next, and you're gonna find with this song, it's just mainly the same kind of like pattern over and over again. It does get to a section where the beat changes to from this. It goes from it changes from that kind of a thing where there's only basically like the snare drum is like less frequent, right? One E and a two E and a three E and a four E and a one. So normally there'd be like a snare drum on beat four, right? But then in the beat that you know so far, there's a bass drum on beat four, right? One E and a two E and a three E and a four, right? So instead of the snare. And then it's gonna get to a part in the song where it's gonna go to like more of a traditional type of beat, where it's gonna play this beat right here, like. So that's kind of it's going to change to that beat. You'll hear it if you just listen to the track. I think it happens around maybe like about 1 minute, somewhere around there. We'll talk about it more next time and listen to the song together. The part that I wanted to, so you can kind of work on that. That's going to be so easy for you to do, to just drop that snare in, because we actually worked on that last time when we were doing this beat. Remember? So that's going to be simple, just to go. That kind of a thing. And then the thing that I wanted to show you today was there's a part around, I think it's about 1 minute and 16 seconds into Ride, where there's going to be, and I'm sure you've already heard it, there's a little 16th note thing happening on the hi-hat. So, and I know before when I was counting the beat, I was counting it 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E. So you could count it with 16th notes or 8th notes. I would say, for our purposes, probably count it with 8th notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, right? So that way, when you get to the part that I'm going to show you, it's going to be and a 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. It's gonna be kind of like a hi-hat thing like that. So let's see, what is it? It's like this. So basically what's happening is, I think there's two different parts. There's the shorter part, which is going to be, yeah, that's it right there. So what I'm doing is, you're going to have to hit the snare with your right hand for this little section right here. All it is, though, is you're going to go from playing your beat, right? So 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. That part, and then there's also, you could kind of switch it up with this other part. I'm just going to add in like a couple beats. Let's see. Instead of going, I'm going to add in 1/16th note right before that. So okay, so those are some new parts for you to check out. Let me know if you have any questions on those. I know that was kind of like a just bunch of ramblings there pretty much, but hopefully there was something in there you can use, man. Let me know.